Good day everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Precious here, and in today's video I am buying on BTC. I took my trade from here, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my analysis. So this is my breakout structure here, and then this is my I took my trade from 1 hour. Let me get my laptop and then take it to 1 hour so you can see my order block correctly. Okay, so this is 1 hour, and you can see my order block here. You can see this is a breakout structure here. This is another breakout structure. We have multiple breakout structure to the upside, breakout structures here, but then I didn't take my order block from here because this place has been mitigated already by this big here. I took my trade from here because this is a fresh order block. This is a breakout structure here, and then I noticed another breakout structure again, so I'm like, okay, so there will be a pullback here, tap my order block, and then there will be a reversal. Market will start going upwards. So that is what I'm expecting. So let's wait for this trade to play out as it should. So and then at the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys my profits, outcome of this trade. So like, fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. This is 1 minute time frame, and you can see this is how this is playing out in 1 minute time frame. So obviously I've done my analysis, I've entered this trade, there's nothing I can do about it. So I'm going to be noticing pullbacks, impulse pullbacks. Definitely pullbacks are inevitable when you enter a trade like now. Pullback, so good. This is how this trade is going. And then let's go to 5 minutes time frame so we can see. So this is how this trade is going. Getting this high because you see this high has been mitigated. This high here too has been mitigated. So it's left for this one to be mitigated. That is why I'm targeting that high. And then you can see my stop loss is here, like away from my recent low actually. So my stop loss, I give my stop loss a lot of breathing space, as you can see from here. So I'm noticing a pullback here. You can see I'm noticing a pullback. I just want this bearish candles to stop forming. I want to see impulsive movement of price in the market to the upside. Like, man, let me just, like, I'm noticing, okay, this is supposed to be a breakout structure, but it didn't form. Like, this candle wasn't long enough to make from a breakout structure, but how I wish, how I wish that is a breakout structure. Would have been so nice. But let's see. It's going pretty smooth, so let's hope for a soft landing. So real quick, guys, I am in this trade, but this is a different account. This is a small account that I'm trading, like a less than $100 account that I'm trading with. For this Ethereum that just hit my TP, and I got from the news that Ethereum is going to pump today. So I just let me just take a setup here and just hit my TP. I don't even know if let me see, because I'm noticing a breakout structure here, which is good. That means it's still going up. Ethereum is still going up, but let me just focus on the one we are on, which is BTC. See, I just want to see this massive movement of price upward. Like, come on, don't give me this week. Don't give me weak. Just keep going up. Just keep going up. You guys see the aggressiveness this is using to go up. So this trade has been ranging like forever, and now it's like this impulsive movement of price upward I've been waiting for. So I'm just excited. I'm loving the look. Can you see the huge candle? I'm loving how this trade is playing out. I'm not going to be showing you guys my profit yet. I wanted to hit my TP, then I can show you guys my profit. So let's Just wait. Like I'm noticing a pullback, but it's okay. It's going in moderation. I'm noticing a serious pullback here, but I'm not trying to be greedy. But I just feel like when I notice on impulsive movements of price upward like this, what follows next is always on a huge bearish candle. So I'm thinking of breaking even because I've looked at my profits. At least it's a good profit, like break even should be in case, to be breaking even. Because the profit, like seriously, I was noticing some major pullbacks, but this is good. Like we are back in the game. I love this. I'm saying. I get my system so I can show you guys what is happening in 30 minutes time frame. It's happening in 30 minutes. Let's go to lower time frame. Okay. This is nice. This time frame is always scary, especially when the trade is not going in your direction. Like I'm noticing this pullback again. You can see it here. Serious pullback. You know what? Like I don't even mind if this doesn't hit TP because I just feel like that profit I'm seeing there very good. I don't want to be greedy. So if I just notice any bearish candle coming out, I'm just ending this trade. Alright? I think I need rest. I've been on this trade since morning and just has been ranging like since and just started this impulsive movement now. So if I notice any bearish candle coming out, I'm done. The pullback is really, I think we have sellers in the market now. I don't like this pullback at all. Do you know what? Let me just stay for a while. Let me not go laugh. Can you guys see the little candle coming out? I like better be bullish candle. Oh, we are back in the game, guys. Let's go. Do your thing, do your thing. Be impulsive. Don't listen to anybody. Move upward like crazy. I just love it when I'm in a trade and then there's this impulsive movement. It's so cute. Before you know, just eat TP and then just close the system and go do something with your life. Oh no. This is what I want. You know what? I'm going to close. I love the profit I've made so far. This is my profit from this trade. So I'm just going to close with this candle here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the emotions in this video and the funny things I was doing. So thank you for watching to the end and I'll see you in my next video.